infinite solutions. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment.
Have you ever wondered how a simple act of gratitude can transform your life? Today we delve into the world of thankfulness, exploring 10 powerful quotes that highlight the profound benefits of daily gratitude. 1. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. Anonymous. This quote reminds us that gratitude helps to shift our focus from what we lack to the abundance that's already present in our lives. It's a gentle nudge to appreciate what we have in the here and now. 2. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today and creates a vision for tomorrow. Beattie. Beattie points out that gratitude has the power to heal, to bring peace, and to give us hope. It's a transformative force that can shape our perspective on life. 3. The more you are in a state of gratitude, the more you will attract things to be grateful for. Walt Disney. Disney believed that gratitude attracts positivity. It acts as a magnet for good things, bringing more reasons to be thankful into our lives. 1. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. Tullius Cicero. Cicero elevates gratitude to the highest pedestal, calling it the origin of all virtues. Gratitude, in his view, is the cornerstone of a virtuous life. 1. Gratitude can transform common days into thanksgivings, turn routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. William Arthur Ward. For Ward, gratitude is a transformative power. It can turn the mundane into the magical, the ordinary into the extraordinary. 1. Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. The more you express gratitude for what you have, the more likely you will have even more to express gratitude for. Zig Ziglar. Ziglar recognizes gratitude as a healthy emotion that can multiply our blessings. It's a positive cycle that keeps on giving. 1. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. Henry Ward Beecher. Beecher poetically describes gratitude as a beautiful flower blooming from the soul. It's a symbol of inner beauty, a testament to the power of a thankful heart. 1. Gratitude is a powerful catalyst for happiness. It's the spark that lights a fire of joy in your soul. Amy Collette. Collette sees gratitude as a catalyst, a spark that ignites the fire of joy within us. It's the starting point of happiness. 1. Joy is the simplest form of gratitude. Karl Barth. Barth simplifies the connection between joy and gratitude. Joy, in his view, is a manifestation of gratitude, a clear sign of a grateful heart. 2. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos to order, confusion to clarity. Beattie. Beattie reiterates the transformative power of gratitude. It's a key that unlocks a fuller, richer life, turning negatives into positives. In summary, these quotes illuminate the potent power of gratitude. It turns the ordinary into extraordinary, challenges into opportunities, and a mundane day into a day of thanksgiving. It's the cornerstone of virtues, a magnet for positivity, and a catalyst for happiness. Gratitude is a beautiful blossom from the soul, a spark that ignites joy, and a key that unlocks a fuller life. So why not make gratitude a daily practice and experience its transformative power?
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment.